Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon, Miss.
So today we will start from homework first. Okay.
Mine.
Okay, number one, Miss Sonia.
Okay. Number one, English. What is the meaning of skirt?
Skirt.
Skirt is B, a circular woman's garment.
Next, Miss.
Room for studying at school is called C. Classroom.
Next, Miss.
Number three.
From the
From the picture, do you like red t-shirt? The answer is yes, I do.
What is the meaning of T-shirt? Short sleeve clothing. Clothing. Yes.
Okay, so Miss Sonia, please explain about this and this. What is the difference between this and this?
Okay. Do you like
I want to know the difference between this and this. Okay, Miss.
Okay, Miss. The difference about this and this is from the object. For example, this one, this is for singular A. This is for singular object, and for this for regular object, plural object.
Which one plural?
This one socks and shoes.
So this or this?
This plural. This, yeah. So this cap, this skirt,
Singular.
singular.
Next, computer, Miss Sonia.
The first step we need to do when we want to turn on the computer is A. Switch on the monitor. C. Switch on the main power button.
If your computer system does not have a UPS, you may skip one step. What is that? Turn on the UPS by A, pressing the power button.
One matching the words.
Number one, step is B. A way to do something.
Okay, next, Miss.
Switch is a button connects computer together.
Next, Miss.
Start button is at the bottom left corner.
Notice, the last one.
Okay, science number one, Miss Debbie.
Marble, paper clips, and thumbtacks from the words which are non-magnetic materials. So the answer is A, marbles.
Okay, next, Miss Sonia.
What is a magnet? The answer is A. Magnet is an object that pushes or pulls some objects.
Number 3, what does the image of a magnet look like on the side? A, button magnet, or magnet? Magnet, right?
The answer is
A, button magnet.
4. What is the difference between a rod magnet and a button magnet? The answer is C. All answers are correct.
so the shape and the color are also different.
Yeah.
This one, Miss Debbie, matching.
Okay, match number 1. Rod magnet is a long or straight magnet, horseshoe magnet, a U-shaped magnet for a strong pull, ring magnet, a circular magnet with hole, button, a small or round magnet.
Okay, this one, fill in the blanks. Miss Sonia.
Marbles, pencil, eraser, and plastic are non-magnet materials. 2. Small pins to hold paper are called thumbtacks. 3, a magnet does not attract gold and silver. Number 4, steel and iron are magnetic materials.
Yang masalahkan nih pas
Stevia. Satu, yang mana Mamis? Mencocokkan. Satu, cuaca. Cuaca adalah keadaan udara di suatu tempat. Mendung adalah langit yang tertutup awan tebal. Sejuk ialah suhu yang tidak terasa panas. Menggelegar suara keras pada saat badai besar.
Oke, misalnya
Saat malam di langit terlihat bulan dan taburan bintang. Nomor 2, badai dapat merobohkan bangunan. Saat kemarau, cuaca akan terasa panas dan berdebu. 4, cahaya terang di langit dan memiliki suara yang keras ketika badai dihasilkan oleh petir.
Okay, what is the meaning of handling information? So the answer is B, processing data and information. B, yeah. We need to make it. This one. Yeah. No, because not same is because we make it bigger. Cannot this one. Kan? If kan iya, so
make it smaller.
cannot ya. Okay.
This one too small.
Can.
That's so small, right?
Can you read it? Can. Yes.
Cannot without.
Without this one.
Okay, number 2. This answer is
Number 2, the picture shows information by using a table.
next number 5 is David.
Presentation of data in columns is called a table. Yeah.
Okay, next Miss Sonia.
What is the meaning of Carroll diagram? The answer is B, a diagram for grouping data.
Next David.
A diagram to show relationship is called a Venn diagram. Yeah. C.
A diagram to show number 7 is a diagram to show relationship is called C, Venn diagram.
But you put here the answer is B.
No, miss.
So the show relationship grouping data, Carroll. Venn diagram.
Yeah, Venn diagram show you salah miss.
Yeah, miss.
Answer key.
Answer key-nya wrong.
Oh, the answer is
Yeah,
Uh-uh.
wrong miss.
Yes, B ya kan, Venn kan kayak Carroll grouping
Carroll,
data
yeah,
kan.
grouping data to categories.
Okay,
Yeah.
how many diagrams, Miss Sonia, that you will explain in this topic for next week?
In this topic, we have 2 diagrams, miss. Carroll
no.
diagram and Venn diagram.
The answer is Venn, yeah, Venn.
Yeah, Carroll diagram and Venn diagram.
So what's the difference?
Carroll diagram, a diagram to grouping data about for example, we categorize some data. We categorize data in a row or columns. And about Venn diagram is to display about Relationship.
So we call that Van or Carol. Van or Carol. Because
Number 8.
no, I mean you share this. You explain this now about the relationship, right?
Yeah.
So we call that as Carol or Van.
Van.
Van. How about Carol?
About Carol, about categories. Categories data in a row or columns.
Not in a table.
Yeah, on the table, in a table, Miss. In a table. Venn diagram also in a table, but Venn diagram to display about relationship. Relationship about something different. Something different like about, for example, like Miss,
Okay.
what is the difference about to grouping difference
Between cat and
between cat and dog like that. So we also make it in the table on a table, but in the Venn diagram we also display about relationship between them.
Okay. How about this one, Miss Devi?
number 1, yeah, Miss. How do you sort this clothes? So the answer, they will answer this fill the blank. This one, I can sort this clothes by using a Carroll diagram. Number 2, how many of clothing are not top? So there are 7 of clothing are not top. Skirt, short pants. So they can count by themselves. I think there are 7. And how many of clothes are top? There are only kemeja in English clothes, Miss. Clothes. There are 2 of clothing are top. Yes, shirt. Oh yeah, t-shirt, kaos ya. Can you use Venn diagram to sort the clothes? Yes, I can. Answer. Yeah.
So it's just yes, I can.
Yes.
They will not answer how, for example.
No. Okay. No. Just answer yes, I can. Actually, Carol and Venn diagram is same. To make different only when Venn diagram we make like circle to circle and then they combine to show the relationship between the object and this one. So which one is the same? And then the Carol like that to make a table, but we need to make one by one with the same size or with the same color. Like that.
Okay, Miss Maria.
Ada 18 burung di pohon. Jika 3 burung terbang pergi, berapa burung yang masih ada di pohon? Maka kita buat bentuk pengurangannya, ada 18 burung di pohon, lalu 3 terbang, maka 18 dikurang 3. Maka bentuknya yaitu 18 dikurang 3 sama dengan 15.
Menjelaskan secara rinci disebut menguraikan sih. 12 tambah 4.
Nomor 4. Dimas membeli 13 pensil dan Adit membeli 5 pensil lagi. Berapakah jumlah pensil keduanya? Nah, maka pertama kita buat Dimas membeli 13. Lalu Adit membeli 5 pensil. Maka 13 ditambah 5 sama dengan 18.
Secara berurutan tanpa jeda adalah pengertian dari si berturut-turut.
Diagonal adalah garis miring antara dua sudut.
Setuju. Diagonal from the right and the left. But some of my students say garis lurus doang ya kan.
Tapi kan dia berbentuk miring.
Bagaimana garis diagonal itu, Miss? Kita setuju kan?
Ini, Miss. Nah, misalnya seperti ini. Misalnya gimana ya, Mas? Gini.
Oh iya.
Misalnya Coba misalnya seperti ini misalnya,
Persegi.
gitu ya Miss ya. Nah, gini ya. Misalnya ini persegi ya Miss ya. Nah, jadi dia garis diagonal itu adalah garis yang menghubungkan dari sudut sini ke sudut sini. Nah, itu garis diagonal karena dia berbentuk garis miring yang menghubungkan antar dua sudut, yaitu sudut yang ini dengan sudut yang ini.
Jadi berarti antara dua sudut.
Iya, dua sudut.
You are too long, Rizkia. You are too long. So you cannot join us. It's okay, Miss. Oke, coba nomor 8. Jadi,
Pengurangan yang benar dari gambar di atas adalah, nah kita kan lihat gambar ini kan Miss. Jadi di sini pertama-tama anak Miss, kita hitung dulu berapa jumlah donat yang ada di sini. Bukan hanya donat yang tidak silang. Jadi kalian hitung dulu semua berapa. Nah kita hitung ya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Nah semua donat adalah 17. Nah 17. Sekarang kita hitung berapa banyakkah donat yang sudah disilang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pengurangan yang benar dari gambar di atas adalah 17 dikurang 5. Nah, 17 semua nih dikurang 5. Jadi jawabannya berapa? Kalian hitung. Sisanya. Berapa sisanya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Jawabannya adalah C. C.
Sempoa adalah alat hitung dengan manik-manik. Itu jawabannya benar, Miss. 12 ditambah 18 ditambah 2 dikurang 9 sama dengan 16. Nah, kalian bisa menghitung satu-satu dulu. 18 ditambah 2 berapa? Nggak boleh ditekan ya, Miss ya? Sorry. 18 ditambah 2 sama dengan berapa? 20. Nah, 20 lalu kalian kurang berapa ini? 20 dikurang 9. Maka hasilnya berapa? 20 kurang 9? 11, Miss. Nah, sama dengan 16. Berarti salah dong. Jawabannya salah. Nah, 10. 11, Miss. Ya. Lalu 10. Soal nomor 3. 10 dikurang 7. 10 dikurang 7, 3. 3 ditambah 13 berapa? 16, Miss. Nah, makanya jawabannya benar, 16. Lalu yang terakhir, 19 dikurang 1 sama dengan 11. Salah dong, 19 dikurang 1 itu 18 kan? 18 kan? Jawabannya salah.
Number 4. Why is cleaning the body very important? Because see, the body will feel fresh and healthy.
Number 1, if don't trim the fingernails, they will see grow and curl. Something very bad. The meaning of awful.
Stuck in one place, the trap, a part between the head, neck.
Okay. Miss Dia, handling information. It's the process. Oh my God, I saw it. Handling information is a process of the data or information. Here, we process the process of the data is collecting and then storing and can make us easier to handle it. A list. Misalnya a list.
A list.
Yes.
Oh.
Don't open that one. Please.
A list. A list is collection of items or information, and a list is an order of a data. For example, you can make a shopping list when you want to buy something.
A table.
Okay, a table is presentation data in a column. So the process a table is a format of collecting data or displaying data in a column. For collecting the data or display the information in a structured way with columns and in rows. For example, you can showing the number of the student in the class.
Carol diagram. Carol diagram is what is that? A diagram for grouping the data. It means when we group the data, we can use a Carol diagram. So it can make more than understanding to do the question. Next, where?
Venn diagram is a diagram to show the relationship, and the Venn diagram use overlapping circle to show about the relationship between different groups.
Okay. Miss Devi meletus.
Gak ada meletus, Miss.
Nggak ada, Miss.
There is no meletus.
Matematika nggak ada di minggu.
There is no.
Yes. Okay, awful.
Awful is something that very bad. Something very bad. It means awful, something that is very bad and make you feel sick. For example, if you eat spoiled, it tastes awful and make you feel sick.
Trapped. Trapped is stuck in one place. This trap is cannot move to another place, so we just stay in one place. Neck.
Neck is part between the head. Neck is a part of body between, and then to connect our head to our shoulder.
Okay, mendung.
Mendung ialah ketika langit ditutupi awan tebal. Jadi mendung itu berarti langit memiliki banyak awan dan biasanya akan ditandai akan turunnya hujan. Namun mendung tidak berarti hujan, bisa menjadi udara yang sejuk, sangat sejuk.
Cuaca adalah keadaan suhu atau keadaan suhu di suatu tempat atau di suatu daerah. Cuaca ini bisa berupa panas, mendung, berangin, dan itu bisa memberi tahu kita keadaan suatu tempat dan bisa maksudnya kita bisa bersedia, siap-siap terhadap keadaan cuaca tersebut. Misalnya cuaca itu ketika cuaca itu mendung berarti akan terjadi hujan. So kita bisa membawa payung ketika ingin bepergian.
T-shirt is sleeve clothes. Now, t-shirt is a clothes that we can use in a daily activity, so we can feel comfortable when we use t-shirt.
Skirt is a circular woman garment or clothing. So a skirt is a piece of clothing that were at the waist to cover our lower body. For example, pretty skirt can use for party or formal situation.
Just, sorry, miss? No, oh no. Okay, step. Sorry. Step is a way to do something. We need step to do some activity, so it can make easier to do the activity. For example, when we want to turn on or turn off the computer, we need do it step by step. Okay. Switch. Misalnya.
Switch is switch is a button. Switch is a button when we want to a small button when we want to turn on or turn off the computer. So when we want to turn on and turn off the computer, we can we can switch the button.
Okay, notice.
Okay, notice is a sign that tell you something important. First, notice is like a special paper or special sign that give you information so you can know what happened. And for example, your battery is low, so you need to charge them and then the phone will give you a sign.
Okay. Misalnya,
Yes,
please
Miss.
explain steps to start a computer in this.
Okay, in this chapter, we study about starting and shutting down a computer. In this chapter about starting the computer, first of all, we can press the main button, and then after that, you can in the computer you have CPU, right? So after you switch the main computer, later you can press the switch the CPU button on the computer, and then after that you have UPS, right? Now you can press the switch button on the UPS button, and then after that, yes, UPS, yeah. But some computer have the UPS means, and then the computer doesn't have the UPS. So sometimes you can skip. So you also can press unit processing. Unit processing.
Forget.
UPS, yes, miss. In our book has UPS and CPU. CPU, Central Processing Unit.
Mama, IPS.
UPS, Unit Processing Service.
Okay, the step to start a computer. Okay. In this chapter, we learn about the starting and shutting down a computer. But I will explain about the starting a computer. So first, we switch on the the part on the computer, and then we press we press the CPU. After the CPU on the computer, after that we press the UPS on the computer. After that we press the button on the monitor, and then the monitor can appear the icon on the monitor. So after that we can use the computer.
So UPS, what is it?
Unit process service.
Unit
Process service.
process service. The function of UPS.
The function is to connection the computer with the CPU. It means for the computer we need the UPS, but for the laptop we don't need.
Okay, so what does it mean by this one, Miss Lady? The do and don't.
Oh, the do and don't for using computer safely. So in this chapter, we also learn about what should we do and what should we don't do for using computer. For example, we can clean the computer after we play it, after we use it, and we should not play with the wires, and we should not put the drink and food near the computer when we use it.
So the topic is
Starting.
three of this.
Yes.
Yes.
Step to start, step
Step
to
to
shut
shut
down.
and
And
do on
The
done.
thing is that they cannot do or they can do
Can.
while using computer safely.
yes.
But for this chapter, only starting and shutting computers.
So how about this? Please explain this one here.
Let's do.
This one.
Oh, first off, yeah, this one is the step how to turn on the computer, Miss. Step, like I say, step one is switch on the main power button, and then you can, after that, step two, you turn on the UPS, and then after that, you can turn on the CPU by pressing the power button, and the last, you can turn on this. Turn on the button on the monitor by pressing the power button.
So this one what is this?
CPU
So where's UPS?
in there, Miss.
What is this one?
Yes, Miss.
This one.
The green one.
Color.
The green one.
The green one, Miss. Yeah, like that.
How if we don't have UPS? Is the computer working
Yes, Miss. You can skip, so you can just turn on the CPU also.
without UPS?
Yes. Yeah. You can.
But as Miss Dia said just now, the UPS is how to say that?
Actually,
It's
UPS.
used for connecting the CPU and the computer. So if there is no UPS, how can it work?
Like itu, Miss, kan ada di on the apa namanya? Yang the red.
The CPU.
If your
And sometimes
computer
someone asks anybody.
Yeah. If your computer system does not have a UPS, you may skip this step.
It's not really
So,
important.
We explain to them, yeah, if you don't have UPS, it's okay, you can skip this step. So you also can press the
Start on
CPU
the
button.
computer.
Yes.
The computer like laptop,
Because
like the
actually,
new computer also.
the function of UPS actually just as a supply electricity when there is no electricity around us.
Okay, but for this one explanation, I really couldn't get this now. That's why I asked again. Okay, then thank you, Miss. Thank you, Miss. Next, how about this, Miss? Icon start. How will you explain this?
Okay, about the icon and desktop. So last time I have shown to them my laptop, so they know. Okay, my students, if you want to know which one is desktop, this is the desktop. When Miss Debbie turn on the computer, the laptop, just when press the power button on the monitor, so you can see the desktop directly when the monitor is appears. And then after that, which one the icon is? This one, the small item on the desktop, you can say it with icons. So how many icons? It's Miss Debbie laptop. They can count by themselves. The answer is true. So they know which one
How many
icon.
icons?
In my laptop, so many Miss 20, 25 more, and then in here only 4.
But you will show
The icons with our whiteboard, right? So this is the desktop, and so which one the icons? Can you count?
Okay, now chapter 3 already.
Already 6.
Masih jauh banget, Miss. Masih jauh banget, Miss.
Still far.
Yeah.
Yes.
Again. Again. Again.
Already. Up.
This one. No.
Up again, Miss.
Up again. Up again. Yes.
100 for power. All right, Miss Dia, yes, please give some examples that can attracted by a magnet or cannot be.
Okay. Something that attract by magnet, the example like iron, steel, and then thumbtack, what is that? Paper clip, and then metal spoon or fork spoon, and then all the things that made of metal or iron can attract by magnet. And then what is it? Something that cannot attracted by magnet is like are like something that made of plastic like plastic spoon, and then what is that, pencil case, and then like accessories, and then toys, sometimes toys also, and then made of by wood, cannot like a table, like a chair, and then what else? Yes? Like gold and silver cannot track by that again. Also.
Okay, Miss Diana, Miss Sonia, sorry.
Yes.
Please explain this.
Okay, now in this part we will study about the shape and the color. How many magnet? Just turn off. Okay, how many magnet? So you can look. Okay, you can look that one U-shaped magnet. You look at the shape. The shape same like letter U in alphabet, right? So you can call U-shaped magnet. And the horseshoe magnet in bahasa is I tell to them horseshoes is sepatu kuda, miss. So the horseshoes magnet, the shape same like horseshoes, and the shape same like U shape, but the uh, the 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 N and S, the north and south, so near, dekat, lebih dekat seperti itu. And the rod closer. And rod magnet, the shape is like rod batang. The shape long. The shape is long and can also to pull some metal object. And that one is button magnet.
Yes.
Okay, this one button magnet. Button magnet is the small magnet, so the shape is circular. So you can put the button magnet on the fridge. So the button can hold the paper on the fridge. And the ring magnet, the shape like ring, right? Have the hole in the middle of the magnet.
Until what page?
Until here.
120.
20.
Yeah.
I think
So this one, do you do this?
I haven't.
Yes.
21.
Okay, how do you explain this, Miss Debbie?
Okay, so for the first, I need to give the definition of the magnet. Magnet is something that can pull or push something that made from metal, and then after that, magnet can pull some object. For example, we already have in our school some kind of some types of magnet. So I will show to them, and I will bring some object that from, for example, the nails, needle, so they can know, okay, look at this magnet can attract this object. Why? Because the object made from metal, like that. And then magnet do not attract the object, so I will take the tissue, paper, and rubber, pencil. So look at this. The magnet cannot attract this object because the object made from rubber, plastic, and paper, like that. Just for example, that one
So this is about something that
can
be
attract and
attracted,
cannot be attracted.
So you will bring, what will you show?
Yes, the magnet already, the magnet and then nails, needle, key, our key, and then metal spoon. And for the object that cannot be attracted by the magnet, maybe eraser, pencil, paper, and tissue only.
Okay, I think that's all for the information for today. For Miss you pass with good result, you will get reward. But for Miss Sonia, you still pass but with enough result. Okay, but with Miss Dia, we still continue. Yeah,
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.